Remove and replace the solid-state drive in the HP ZGX Nano G1n AI station. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, and a flat-bladed pry tool. With the computer turned upside down, use a flat-bladed pry tool to remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom cover. Loosen the 4 captive Phillips screws. Loosen the bottom cover with the flat-bladed pry tool if needed. Then separate the top and bottom cover by pulling them apart. Removal: remove the Phillips screw that secures the SSD. Grab the SSD by its sides and pull it out and away from its connector. Attach the thermal pad to the new SSD before replacement. Replacement: align the pins on the SSD with its connector slot. Press the SSD into its connector. Replace the Phillips screw that secures the SSD. Place the bottom cover back onto the computer until it snaps into place. Tighten the 4 captive Phillips screws. Place the 4 rubber feet into the slots and press down to tighten them back into place.